New construction, 2-story home offering 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 2-car attached garage. Great location, close to shopping, restaurants, expressway and health clubs. This home has great architectural design. Family room measures 19 by 13 with hardwood flooring, cathedral ceiling, recessed lighting and sliding door leading out to deck. Kitchen measures 12 by 11 with hardwood flooring, custom cabinets, spacious island, granite countertops, recessed lighting, stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, disposal, oven range, cooktop, and microwave.